Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Paramveer Sir's English Language. Today we are going to see about the first poem of Maharashtra State Board English Higher Language, poem 1.1, where the mind is without fear. This poem is written by Sri Rabindranath Tagore. This poem has a very deep meaning. I request you to please note down all the meanings of that poem. Let's start. Rabindranath Tagore, born in 1861 and died in 1941, was the author of Gitanjali and its profoundly sensitive, fresh, and beautiful verse. He became the first non European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. This paragraph is about Rabindranath Tagore. Next para. This poem is one of his vastly read and discussed poems. It was originally composed in Bengali and later he himself translated it into English. So this poem was in which language? In Bengali language, and it was one of the best and discussed poem. It was then translated it into English. This poem is from his Nobel Prize winning anthology Gitanjali. Okay. So the meanings: anthology means who studies about human mind. Who is an anthropologist who studies about human mind. Okay. Third paragraph. Tagore lived during the time when India was ruled by the British. In this poem, besides political freedom from British, Tagore also appeals to God for social, educational and economic freedom for the people of India. I am starting with the poem. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. What does the poet wants to say? The mind is without fear. जहाँ पर mind is without fear, मन में कोई भय ना हो. And the head is held high. Where the head, हमारा सर, बिना किसी शर्म से, without any frightening, with respect, is held high. Where the knowledge is free. For what? To get education. Knowledge जहाँ पर free रहे. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments. Fragments means small groups. जहाँ पर दुनिया छोटे छोटे ग्रुप्स में ना बटे रहे. It means the separation of caste system by narrow domestic walls. Domestic wall means caste system. Where the words come out from the depth of truth. क्या कह रहा है कि जो हम वर्ड्स बोलेंगे वो कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलेंगे. डेप्थ ऑफ ट्रूथ मीन्स विद इन कॉन्फिडेंट. वेयर टायरलेस स्ट्राइविंग स्ट्रेचेस इट्स आर्म टूवर्ड्स परफेक्शन. टायरलेस स्ट्राइविंग मीन्स हार्ड वर्क. स्ट्रेचेस इट्स आर्म टूवर्ड्स परफेक्शन मीन्स फॉर अचीविंग गोल. वी हैव टू डू हार्ड वर्क. हमें बहुत मेहनत करनी है हमारे गोल्स को अचीव करने के लिए एंड टू बिकम परफेक्ट, टूवर्ड्स परफेक्शन. वेयर the clear stream of reasons has not lost his way. मतलब जो हमारी clear stream मतलब clear river, okay, clean river has not lost their way into the dairy desert of dead habits. Dairy means drying habits. Dairy means drying. Like a desert sand of dead habits. Dead habits here means old customs and traditions. जो पुरानी रीति रिवाज छूट चुके हैं उन्हें छोड़ दो और हमेशा लाइफ में आगे बढ़ो. Where the mind is led forward by thee. Thee means God. हमारे मन में जो भी विचार आए वो भगवान को मन में नज़र रखते हुए आए. Into ever widening thought and action. Ever widening means outlook. हम जो बाहरी आउटलुक है उसका थॉट, हमारे एक्शंस, ये एवर वाइडनिंग रहने चाहिए. Into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. This last line is about Rabindranath Tagore is praying to my father, means God, that हमारा जो सिस्टम है, हमारा जो रहन सहन है, वो एक हेवन ऑफ फ्रीडम से कंपेयर्ड रहे. एंड लेट माई कंट्री अवेक, हमारी जो कंट्री है, हमारे जो रहने का जगह है, वो एक पढ़ा लिखा लिटरेट जगह रहे. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द पोएम.